Okay, yeah, audible. Now it's audible now? Got it, got it, got it. Yeah. Voice is not audible. Got it. Now audible, everyone? Who's this? Crafts. Now it's audible? Yeah. Chalo. Now audible? Type yes in the comment section. Now audible? Everyone? Just type yes in the comment section. Am I audible now? Type yes in the comment section. Am I audible now? Everyone? Hi. Everyone, am I audible? Yeah, chalo. So now, see this. This CCP course is for those guys who have given the JAIIB CAIIB or those who have not given the JAIIB CAIIB, both of them. Even if you have cleared your JAIIB CAIIB, now you are planning what is to be done next. So in retail banking, the best course is CCP. CCP is the best course. And if you are not given your JAIIB CAIIB, somebody might be finding it difficult, somebody might not get the time. In that case also, this CCP course will help you in your career path. This has a great importance, great. Okay, so what is it? What is this CCP course? Now look at this, CCP, name itself. What is CCP? Certified Credit Professional. Certified Credit Professional. Credit means loan. So now from the name itself, you will understand this topic is related to loan officer. So that's why we'll be dealing in details in this. But before that, everyone, kindly like this video. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Let me say this, everyone, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Like the video. Let's move ahead. Okay. What does this include? Course include. See this. CCP is not related only to your retail banking loans. It's not totally related to your retail banking loans. Retail banking loans means what? They include your housing loan, personal loan, car loan, some MSME loans up to let's say 50 lakhs, 1 crores max to max. Generally our retail banking loans are up to 1 crores, right? So the point over here is we are not dealing with only these loans which are of around 1 crore. We are dealing in those loans which are of the smaller amount also and which are of higher amount also. Higher amount means in corporate banking, here I have worked in corporate banking also in one of the foreign banks. In corporate banking, kindly note, the minimum loan given is around 500 crores. 500 crores minimum loan. Now imagine what level of analysis you require in that. So all that is taught over here. Okay. So importance of CCP. The world is increasingly getting interconnected and complex, right? Because nowadays the things are so weird because of this internet banking. You don't know from where the money will come, where the money will go. Earlier credit meant only cash credit, overdraft and loan, right? Now these things are gone. CC, OD and loan, that is still there. Loan means term loan. Here we mean term loan. Now it includes quasi-credit. Quasi-credit means quasi-credit facilities like LC, bank guarantee, co-acceptance, buyer's credit, supplier's credit. All these have gained importance. Now these are the important factors in any bank. Okay, these are and the one who knows these, has a great importance in banking. Okay, quasi credit. This is called as quasi. Why quasi? Because this is called as non-funded. Okay, non-funded activity. These are all funded. These are funded. Okay. Now this non-funded have gained a lot of importance in banking. Okay. So that's why CCP will teach you all this. LC, guarantees, buyer's credit, supplier's credit. But still, this is not the end. CCP doesn't teach you only this. It teaches you something else also. So what up till now what have we gained? We get, kindly remember, funded loans and non-funded loans. Up till now this much. But still there is something more. So let me come to that point. What is the present requirement of the bankers? What do the bankers require now? Right now. What is the situation of the bankers now? Bankers don't only require your personal loan, home loan, car loan, all these things. They require bigger loan analysis also. You need to be perfect. See here, perfect is the important word. Because I am a learner, you get perfection. Of course, by experience you get perfection. But the present requirement of banker is not only related to the retail loans, but corporate loans. And the third point, I am still waiting. I have not opened it. Funded, non-funded means retail, corporate, and there is a third point, which is also taught in CCP. I'll give you that. Let's keep it as a suspense. Good knowledge of the product, that is very basic. Knowledge of the product, without this, you can't work in at least loan department. Good knowledge of the product is very much important. Then, assess the risk involved and judge the repayment capacity of the borrower, right? You need to know whether the borrower will be able to repay the loan. For that, you have the ratio. What is that ratio called as? Anyone can tell me? Can anyone tell me where you can judge the repayment capacity of the borrower? What is that ratio called as? That ratio is called as DSCR. DSCR. Debt Service Coverage Ratio. DSCR means, I am just giving you one example. What all is taught in CCP? Through DSCR you can judge whether that person will be able to repay the term loan. But if I am giving CC, then which ratio? For CC it is ICR, Interest Coverage Ratio, ICR. These two ratios are of utmost importance in banking nowadays. Okay? For your funded, mainly for your funded loans. Non-funded, these are less used, but funded loans means term loan and CC. They are used mostly. Okay? Then, within the agreed time frame, that is very important. See, whatever I do, suppose if I do something, let's say I process the loan, but I process it in 3 months. Who will wait for me? Nowadays we are in the fast age. Speed is the main criteria now. So if I process the loan in 3 months, nobody will wait for me. Customer will run away. My bosses will remove me from the job. It's as simple. So within the time frame, speed is the main word. So this is taught in your CCP courses. How to do it fast. Credit appraisal and risk appraisal can be considered as two sides of the same coin, isn't it? Whenever I give the loan, I have to do two types of appraisals. One is credit appraisal, means what? How much will be my profitability? Basically, credit appraisal means how much will be my profitability, and risk means whether that customer will be able to repay that loan or not. That is also risk. So, credit appraisal and risk. Credit means basically my profitability. Whether the bank will get profit from this loan. We must have that NII spread, isn't it? Only then it's of any use. Got it? So, both the things are the of the same coin, two sides of the same coin, right? Concerning domestic finance or trade finance for international trade. So, still I have not come to that third point. Trade finance and international finance. Okay, domestic finance, trade finance for international trade. So, this is again the part of your funded and non-funded loans. In funded loans, if you say trade finance, you will have various factors like pre-shipment, post-shipment. These are all funded loans. Pre-shipment finance, post-shipment finance, okay, factoring, these are all funded loans. Non-funded means LC, guarantee, these are all non-funded loans. So these are taught to you in this, okay, in CCP. But third point still it remains. What is the third point? Do you think? Answer me. What can be the third point? Which is not given over here up till now. It is there. The course provides holistic insight on various dimensions in the bank credit management. So holistic means complete view. Complete view means your funded loan, non-funded loan, and the third part. Now I'll open up this third part. This third part is treasury bonds. Investment in the bonds. That is also taught in CCP. Treasury bonds. Okay, that is a part of your CCP course, and that is also the part of any bank's portfolio. So three things are taught in CCP, mainly funded loans, non-funded loans, and treasury investments. Very important. So that's why follow this without fail. Okay? And do join the CCP course. See, what are the objectives of the course? Perform different credit functions across the banks. Advanced skills for handling credit management issues. Okay? Credit management issues means all issues. Analysis of the loan, then giving the disbursement of the loan, then monitoring of the loan, all these things are taught. Okay? Then perform different credit functions. What are the different credit functions? See, in loan itself, you have different credit functions. One is analysis, one is getting the customer, one is filling up the form. That is also a credit function. Then analysis, then disbursement, taking the legal documents, monitoring, all these are credit functions. We require different persons for that. Okay? Up till now clear everyone? What does this course cover? This course mainly covers, look at this, loan policy, credit appraisal, analysis of financial statements, project finance, working capital management, export credits, credit monitoring, management of impaired assets. Now these things are simple. Loan policy of the bank. Every bank has a loan policy. Credit appraisal, how to whether to give the loan or not. Analysis of financial statements. So these two are combined. Project finance means this includes various big projects, road construction, dam construction, or turnkey projects. Then working capital finance, okay, working capital management. Clear up till now? Export credits, look at this, export credits, that is also covered over here. Pre-shipment, post-shipment, okay, both the finances. Credit monitoring, NPA monitoring, these both can be combined. Credit monitoring and management of impaired assets. Impaired assets means NPAs. How to get the recovery from NPAs, how to handle the NPAs, what are the rules and regulations by RBI. All these are covered. Course has two components. Now how is the course done? See, this course is done in two parts. One is online examination for 100 marks based on the specially designed courseware on credit management. Now here Adda 24/7 will help you. Adda 24/7 has a course material for the same. This. Once you clear this, only then you can go for the B part, classroom training. Classroom training is only for those who have cleared the first level, that is online exam. For that, Adda 24/7 will help you. But I'll tell you, once you clear this, classroom training is not difficult. It's hardly 3-4 days training. Okay, 3 days, see this. So hardly 3-4 days training, and you can definitely clear it. Okay? The examination is open to who all can give the exam. A graduate in any discipline. Now this is very important. In any discipline, the examination is open to members of IIBF as well as non-members who are employees of the bank and financial institutions. So you should be a graduate, number one, and number two, you should be either you can be the member or non-member, anything. Even if you are a non-member, okay, non-member, then also you can give it. You need not compulsorily be the member. Okay? Members of the institute, preferably CIIB. Preferably. Now look at this. What does it say? Preferably. Even if you are not CIIB, then also you can give it. Many students of mine have cleared this CCP without giving JAIIB and CIIB. Many students. So you can do that also. Subject of the examination, credit management. See the simple name itself, certified credit professional. So credit management, name itself. Passing criteria. Minimum marks to pass in the subjects are 50 out of 100 for online examination. Okay, 50 out of 100 and minimum 25 marks for pass out of 50 marks in the classroom training. So minimum 50 marks in online and 25 marks in classroom training. This I'll tell you, again I'm telling you, this is easy. You can definitely clear it. This is tough, very tough. And here Adda 24/7 will help you. We help you in this CCP course. Okay? This is very tough because I have taken the classes for this. I do take, even I have given the lectures for the same. but it is really tough. Okay, so that's why you need to join the classes for this. What are the particulars? Look at this. Examination for members and non-members. Virtual training mode. These are the fees. Okay. Virtual train. Now these fees can change a bit, but right now they have not changed. Virtual training mode 6,000 plus GST. Physical classroom training Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata 6,000. Physical training at other centers 6,000. So everything is 6,000. Forget it. Okay. So online classes 6,000. Online exam, and then training again 6,000. 12,000 is the fees. Okay. Now how to do this? See, go to Adda 24/7. Always download the app first, and from that app only purchase it. Okay, because there only you will get it. See, go to Adda 24/7 always. Okay, click on JAIIB and CIB. See this, go to Adda 24/7. You can type here also. Okay, CCP. You can type here CCP, Certified Credit Professional, or you can type it directly Certified Credit. That's it. See this, Certified Credit Professional, full course. Click on this, you will get this full course. Now for purchasing this, kindly use the code Y432. Never forget this code. Y432. Okay, I'll show you. See this. Click on Y432. Y432. Click on enter. Look at this. 79% discount you're getting plus 1% extra. If you purchase it through the app, download the app first. Then you get 80% discount. Don't miss this. Okay. Very good course for those bankers who have not given their JAIIB CIB. And also for those who have given it, but now they are planning what to do next. So this is the best course. So purchase it, purchase the online course through Adda 24/7 and give the exam. You'll clear it definitely. Okay? Chalo, bye.